Guys, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. So in this video I would like to talk about something like what sort of software or tools I would like to install at the very first day in my office. So I have bunch of preferences, like most of the time actually you are given your laptop device or computer system from the office, and then they will probably install one operating system of your choice, and then they will ask you to install the software you need in order to continue your work at the office. So probably there will be some given software list from the office itself, but to install them by yourself. So what sort of things I would like to install, I would like to address that in this video. So first of all, probably I'm going to talk from the Windows point of view. Most probably after installing the OS, you will be left with the default browser, that is either Internet Explorer or the Edge. So for myself, I would like to install Firefox and the Chrome. Both these browsers I use extensively on a daily basis, so I would like to install both of these browsers. And after that, as I work on Java quite frequently, so I would like to install the Java latest version on my system. And if there is any recommended version from the office, so probably I would go with that instead of installing the latest one. So it depends on the sort of guideline or the instruction I receive from the office itself. So that's it. And about the IDE choice, if I mean most of the companies actually allow you to use your preferred IDE. So if there is no recommended one from the office, as I said before, if there is any recommendation from the office, go with that. And if there is not, I would probably go with the Eclipse latest version for myself. So if you are someone who is using um, uh, NetBeans, that's also fine, and also the IntelliJ, that's amazing IDE for day-to-day software development. So you can go with that as well. And for the text editor, I would probably go with the Atom. So as you may already know, that Atom is my favorite text editor for my for general purpose. So I use Atom a lot. And for other sort of things, like for version controlling, so if you are a web developer or a software developer, probably you are familiar with the Git already. So you will be needing to install one Git client in your system. So Git client in your system. So I will be installing one of those. I mean, there is one actually. So I will install Git client. And also, since most of the kind of like the software developers or the web developers or people of some sort similar sort of professions are actually doing their office from remote places or working from home, so the meeting tool is a must. Okay, so for that reason actually you need to pick one. But since I use a few of this, I need to use few of this, even though I would like to install one of this. But I have to, as I'm using Zoom, Skype, and Microsoft Teams, all of this almost on a daily basis, so I have to install all three. And if you're someone who is using Trello or something like that, that's also fine. Those are web-based, so you do not have to actually install the Trello client or something in your system, even though I don't know if there is one out there. And additionally, I would like to install some additional tool like ShareX, which is a better alternative of sniping tool for photo editing and sniping or taking your screenshot. So I would like to install that as well. So that's the basic list. what I would like to install at the very first day of my office. So let me know what else you would like to install in your first day at office. So that's all from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.